In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Odoo. Keeping your Odoo account secure is really important, especially if you're using it to manage business data, customers, or financial information. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of changing your password from inside your Odoo account. Follow along on your own screen as I describe each step. First, make sure you're already logged in to your Odoo account. Once you're on the main Odoo dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a small image, your initials, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu that gives you access to your personal settings. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled My Preferences. This is where Odoo stores your personal user information and settings, including language, time zone and QA, and security details. Click on My Preferences to open your profile settings page. You should now see a screen with several sections related to your account. Within this page, find the section or tab called Security. Depending on your Odoo version or theme, this may appear as a tab at the top or as a section within the page, but it will be clearly labeled Security. Click on Security to switch to the security-related settings for your account. Inside the security area, you'll see options related to login and password management. Look for the button or link that says Change Password. This is the option that lets you update your current login password. Click on Change Password to open the password change form. Now you should see fields asking you to confirm your existing password and then enter your new one. In the field labeled Confirm Password or Current Password, type your current Odoo password exactly as you use it to sign in. This step is there to make sure it's really you making the change. Then, when prompted, enter your new password and confirm it if there is a separate confirmation field. After you've filled in the confirmation and new password details, save or apply the changes. Your Odoo password is now updated, and you will use this new password the next time you log in.